Hello to all RC friends, I'm Antonio La Notte from rcracingstore.it, and today I'm gonna show you how I set the endpoint of the carburetor. Here we have a Novarossi engine. As we can see, this is how the carburetor works when it's closed, when it's full open. We have to adjust the servo in order to have a carburetor setting that idle good when you don't accelerate or when you don't brake, and a carburetor full open but not overloading the engine and the carburetor. If you overload this piece of the carburetor, you can have damage on your servo and you can have damage on carburetor. This could be a problem when you are going to face a long run in a race or in a practice. We connected the transmitter and receiver, and we are going to see if we did a good job on setting and mounting our radio tray and carburetor. First of all, we have to mount the carburetor in order to have 90 degrees between the carburetor ball and the linkage. If you can see, this is perpendicular, 90 degrees. And second, we have to move the ball in order to make the linkage parallel to the radio tray. In this way, we avoid any strange load on the carburetor and on the servo. We can face a long run with no problem of servo fail and no problem of misfunctional carburetor. Then we check that the carburetor is in idle position when we don't move the radio. In fact, if I brake, it doesn't move, and it's okay. It means that our screws are set good. When I full open the carburetor, I have to set the endpoint in order to not go over the full open position. In fact, if I go beyond this position, we will hear some strange noise on the servo. It means that it is overloading and it's not good for the servo. We don't need the servo to move further than this position. So when you go on your endpoint adjustment in your radio, you have to be sure that you go on full open without no forcing the servo. It means that if I go beyond like this, I can start to hear our servo making some noise, and it's not good. So remember to set the endpoint in order to full open the carburetor and not go beyond this. We have to remember that if we change the venturi sides, we have to check again our endpoint adjustment in order to make it work properly with a different venturi. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you can press the subscribe channel here on YouTube, and you can share the video with your friends. All the spares and material are available at rcracingstore.it. I'm available for any further question. You can contact me here or on Facebook or Instagram. I write you the links on the description of the video, and see you in the next video. Have a good day, have a good race.